Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add pop-up onto your Shopify store. Now, there is a couple of methods and a couple of approach you can go about from doing this. You can code it, but on this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easier way to do this, which is by using a free app. Now, from the Shopify dashboard here, you just have to click on the middle upper search bar here. And let's just search pop-up here. And click on this search pop-up in Shopify App Store. Now wait for it to load. Now there will be a lot of app that shows up here. Just as a rule of thumb, if you see free plan available, then that means it's technically free, but there'll be a lot of hoops you have to jump through. If it's only free, like there's only free here, then it's free. Like there's no other strings attached. So I'm just going to use this pop-up hero. Once you click on it, click on this as well, install. Now it'll redirect you onto a new page here where it will tell you about what the app can access. It can view personal data and it can view and edit stored data. After you've read and agreed on this, just click on install here. Now wait for it to install. Give it a little second. Now, once it's here, you'll have a little UI that looks like this. I'm going to delete this example pop-up to show you how to make it from scratch. Now you can see app enabled. So I'm going to re-enable the app because after you install or reinstall an app on Shopify, you need to make sure that the app is enabled on the website here. Now, as if you see it's turned on, then that's good. Then it's turned on and you're good to go. Now let's go back to the dashboard here for the Add Perfect one. And let's make a quick pop-up. I'm going to click on create and I'm going to do an announcement pop-up. I'm going to do a join our newsletter pop-up right here. Now there's a couple of customization you can do here, like states, widgets, styles, timing. You can do the success, like if they sign up or not. This is what they'll see. You can also customize what the text says. I'm just going to customize it as this is an example pop-up, like that. Going to let that be. And there's also a close button here if you want, so the consumer can click this instead of this, right? Now you can see a lot more things here. Like there's a lot more customization here. There's also animation if you want. There's also states. This is the title as well. This is what actually appears in your pop-up here. I'm going to change it to example pop-up again. There you go. You can also change the body or the footer body here as well, the button settings. But I'm sure you get the idea so far. I'm going to leave this as is now. So I'm just going to click on save right there. Now you can see there's activities now, and there's a pop-up that shows up here. Now, if you want to see it, let's just go back to our Shopify store, and let's click on these three dots, and let's click on view to view it. Now give it a second. Sometimes it might take a little bit to load, but don't worry, it'll load. Give it a second. There you go. It popped up after a little bit. Now you can see here, there's an example pop-up. You can add in a name if you want, like this, but I'm just going to click out. But there you go. That is how you add a pop-up onto your Wix.com, not Wix, Shopify website.